Hi, in this video, I will show you how to download and install Claude AI on PC. So the first thing that you would like to do is open in any browser that you have. Once you do so, go to the URL section and you can just type right away, download Claude AI. Once you do so, go and click on the first link, download Claude by Anthropic, and you will find yourself right here. As you can see, you do have the desktop and mobile option. For desktop, you have macOS, Windows, and Windows are 64. So depending on whatever you have, click on the download button. As example, I do have Windows, so I'm going to click on that option and I'm going to save it. And once it's done, just double click on that and it will start installing it into your PC. So just wait a little bit until it's finished downloading. It should not take too much. And as you can see, once it's done, you can just go and click on yes. And it is installing right now, so you'll just have to wait for it until it's finished. Basically, it does everything for you. Once you hit the download and click on the install, it will do everything. You just have to wait. So once it's finished the installation, you'll find Claude for Windows or Cloud for Windows. So the fastest way to talk with Claude, you can just go and click on get started, and here you can log in using a Google or your email, depending on whatever you logged in with. For me, I logged in with Google. So if you click on Google, they will take you to your browser and you'll have to log in into your accounts from your browser. But if you are not logged in using Google, you can just go and enter your email. For me, I am going to log in right away and I'm coming back. So as you can see, once you're logged in here, you'll find like quickly that chats to Claude in a few tabs. So here you can turn on some shortcuts. As an example, if you want to do some things, here you can click on the Claude icon in the menu bar to show the menu bar if you want to. So a lot of things that you can add. And yeah, here you are. You have the Claude AI now downloaded into your PC. So that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.